Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out of your Airbnb account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the navigation bar. Look for the profile icon and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings and personal information page where you can manage various aspects of your Airbnb profile. Once you're on the profile page, scroll through the available options until you locate the logout button. You'll typically find this option towards the bottom of the page among other account management features. This button is your gateway to securely signing out of your account, which is especially important if you're using a shared device or want to ensure your account remains secure. Go ahead and tap on the log out option. As soon as you do this, Airbnb will display a confirmation message on your screen. This is a security feature designed to prevent accidental logouts and ensure you really want to proceed with signing out of your account. It's always good practice to confirm important actions like this to avoid any unintended changes. In the confirmation message that appears, you'll see another logout button. Tap on this button to finalize the process and complete your logout. This extra step ensures that you're intentionally logging out rather than accidentally tapping the button. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of your Airbnb account. Your session is now ended and you'll need to log back in with your credentials the next time you want to access your account. This is particularly useful for maintaining your account security and privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.